Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is my annual what I got for Christmas video. I know this is a really popular one with you guys and I always love watching them as well. I think they're probably my favourite kind of video to watch around this time of year. So I will be going through all the lovely things that people got me. I was so lucky to receive so many lovely and thoughtful gifts this year, so I'll be going through almost everything, not stocking stuffers mainly because most of those are edible and they're already gone, but the larger gifts I will be going through. So I hope you guys enjoy this and let's get going. So first up is this kit from Charlotte Tilbury. I love Charlotte Tilbury makeup and I guess quite a few people know that because I got Charlotte Tilbury for both my birthday and Christmas, which I'm definitely not complaining about because I love her line. So this is the Beauty Icons kit and this is from my brother and his family, and apparently my brother picked this out all by himself, which is very, very impressive. So it's all their best sellers right here. So there is a little lipstick, their magic cream, the Wonder Glow, a mascara I think, and also the Pillow Talk lip liner. I already used 2 of these but I haven't tried the rest, so I am very, very excited to give everything else a try. Just such a lovely, thoughtful gift. And then the other gift that my brother and his family got me is this amazing book about handbags. I love coffee table books and this is a gorgeous one. It's very, very heavy. It's probably the heaviest one I've ever felt, but it's full of very, very good stuff. I'm going to try and balance it on my shoulders to show you. But it's really up to date, which is the coolest thing about it. So you have everything from Chanel boy bags in here to Gucci bags. They have the Dionysus, I think I saw featured, and they have Hermes. They really have everything. It's split up by designer and it's just the most beautiful book to flick through. So I was so surprised and excited to receive this. Again, I love coffee table books. I love flicking through them and this is just right up my street. Next up, I got 2 skincare sets from Tatcha from my mum. She knows I've been going nuts with my skincare regime, trying to get my skin looking as good as possible for the wedding, so she got me these 2 amazing kits. So the first one, I'm not sure what the name is, but it has basically their best sellers, I think. I'm not super familiar with this brand, but they have a Camel cleansing oil, they have the deep polish, they have the essence and one other thing. So this looks absolutely amazing. I've heard really good things about Tatcha, so I'm very excited to try more out. And this one is set up more in like a grid format. So this one also has the cleansing oil and the essence, but it also has a serum, a silk cream. I think this is an eye cream and also an enzyme powder. I have no idea what that is, but I'm very excited to try it. So this just looks amazing. I'm so excited to try the line. I will report back if it works, but I am going to get stuck into this next week. And the other thing that my mum got me was a ton of Muji pens. So these are actually only some of them. She gave me a huge amount, which might seem strange to some people, but I am obsessed with these pens. I absolutely love them. These are the only pens I write with if I can help it. They just are perfect. You know, they are very black, so they're very dense, they write very smoothly, they're very comfortable, and I just love them. So I get the 0.38 nibs, I guess, is that what you call them? And they're just perfect. I prefer writing finely because I have quite small writing, and these are just ideal in every way, but I always seem to misplace mine. I swear I buy them all the time, but people always borrow them as well, and I just never have one on hand, even though I bought so many over my lifetime. But my mum thought she would fix this for me for this year, so she got me a ton of them, which I was so excited about. I actually like yelped when I saw them. Just the best gift, very thoughtful and just so useful and needed. Next up, my mum got me 2 pairs of my favourite Lululemon leggings. These are the Align pants and they are by far my favourite from Lululemon. I do have others, I have the Wonder Unders, but these in my opinion are the best. They're much softer, they're much more comfortable, they're more lightweight, but they also have full coverage as well. So I adore these. They are perfect for working out, also good for lounging around in. I do already have 2 pairs, but I'm always running short of them because they're always in the wash because I wear them so much. So my mum got me 2 backups, which I am so excited about. Again, another functional one, but very much appreciated. I am so excited about having an extra pair on hand. And then my mum also got me 2 things from Spiritual Gangster. One of them I can't show you because it is in the wash already, but it is just their white tank top with the black writing. I will insert a picture if I can find one. The other thing I got was this amazing sweatshirt. I was so excited about this because it's so cozy, so soft on the inside, very, very comfortable to wear. And it just has a black heart on it with the Spiritual Gangster logo. I love this sign, so I was very excited to receive these, and they're both such comfortable, lovely pieces. And also from my mum, she got me a business card holder, which is super sparkly and pretty. This was one of those gifts which were just so fortunate. I'd been meaning to get myself a new business card holder for the longest time, but I just hadn't gotten around to it. Hadn't mentioned anything to her either. She just knew in the way that mums always know. And she got me this one, which is just perfect. It has a space for all your business cards, and it also has a mirror here as well, so it kind of doubles up. Super pretty, very functional, and just the ideal gift. Now for my gifts from Dan, and the first one is pretty spectacular. So it is a panda money box, and this was actually something that he tagged me in on Facebook a long time ago. He's always tagging me in things. Usually they're just gifts of dogs or puppies, but he also does occasionally throw like a panda one in there to mix things up. And he showed me this, and it's basically an automated money box. So I think I have a coin somewhere here. Oh. So basically you put your coin on. Is that? So basically you just have to kind of press it down, and then the panda like peeks through, you can see that, and then grabs the coin and drags it down. I mean, I was so excited to see this. He tagged me in it like, I think it must have been a year ago or something, so I completely forgotten about it. I loved it when he tagged me in it though. I did comment on it, and then he must have remembered and tracked it down for me. So possibly one of the best gifts I've ever received. Just super cool. I've been playing with it. You're going to see I have quite a bit in there because I've just been doing it all day long, but absolutely amazing. It's such a fun and great gift. Now onto some very luxurious gifts. I think these are probably the most fancy pants gifts that I have ever received. Dan went completely above and beyond. The first one is from Louis Vuitton. I've already kind of destroyed the ribbon, but this one was a total surprise. The other ones I knew about, but this one completely floored me. And it is something that I really wanted but I couldn't get a hold of myself. It is the little polar bear coin purse from the Christmas animation line. I didn't get anything from the animation line this year. I wanted this one, but it sold out so quickly, so I don't know how he got it, but I was so excited to receive this. Dan loves polar bears anyway, which has kind of gotten me to love polar bears as well. So this is just the perfect thing. I've always wanted a round coin purse from Louis Vuitton anyway. And I was just so excited. It has the beautiful, very festive Christmas lining and just the most lovely piece. I was so excited. Haven't used it yet. I've just been kind of keeping in the box and peeking at it every now and then, but such a gorgeous gift. I was over the moon and totally shocked to receive this. And then the second thing I got I did know about, and this was something that I kind of planned to get this year or next year, and then when Dan asked me I was like, well, this is kind of perfect. So also from Louis Vuitton, it has the beautiful Christmas packaging, which is so lovely. I think if you watched my wishlist video then you may know what this is. I was so excited. I didn't see this until Christmas Day. It was a special order, but I resisted seeing it. I was like, if you can just check it's okay and then I won't see it. But it is the passport holder. I've wanted this for so long, but I held off because I did want a personalised one, and I knew I was going to be changing my name because I'm getting married, so I wanted to hold off. And then I was like, well, this is kind of the perfect time. So it does have my new initials on it, which is AP. I'm very excited. I went for the yellow and white because I've seen it on others and I loved it. And it just came out so perfectly. I'm very excited to start using this. I've been holding off until I did this video, but I'm going to change into this as soon as this is over. Comes with the brown lining. I went for the brown rather than the yellow just because I thought it was a bit more classic. I absolutely love it. I love how it came out, and I'm so excited to officially have my last name when I do change it. And then my last gift is from Chanel. This is one I actually bought myself, and Dan was nice enough to put some money towards. And this one kind of was on my radar, but I hadn't really planned on getting it. And then I passed through Heathrow and they had one left in just the most ideal colour combination, and I couldn't pass it up with the Heathrow discount as well. So I asked Dan and he said he'd be happy to put some money towards it, and here it is. I am very excited about it. Not usually what I go for from Chanel. Usually this is the kind of bag I probably tell people to avoid if they want a solid investment bag, but considering everything I have coming up in the next year, I thought it was really perfect. So I'm going to show you exactly what it is. It did come with the box, but I couldn't be bothered to put it back together, so just in the dust bag. And you might be able to guess from the size because it is a large one. And it is a, if you can already see what that is, the Chanel Deville tote. This is in the smaller size, so it's not the larger one. I like the larger one too, but this is just a bit more practical for me. So this is more of a shoulder bag. It is in the cream with the navy trim, and I just thought this would be the perfect thing. We're going on quite a few trips and holidays next year, obviously going to France a lot because that's where we're getting married, and we're going to do probably a little mini moon and then our honeymoon later. I thought this is just the perfect bag to see me through all of that. It's plain on the back, it is made of a kind of straw-like material, or then straw or canvas, I'm not actually sure. It's got a coating on it. Then you obviously have the Chanel, and then this is what it looks like on the inside. So you have a zip pocket right there, and then you have some other pockets on this side, so it is a proper little tote. Very nice lining, and I just fell in love with this. I initially said no to it, and then I almost made us miss our flight because I was dithering and I just couldn't decide, and in the end I went for it, and I'm so glad I did. I think it's so stunning. This is very different for me, and again, considering what I have coming up, I thought it'd just be perfect and very fit for purpose. So very excited about this, very grateful to Dan for facilitating the purchase, and I just can't wait to use it on all our trips next year. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. This is officially my last video of 2017, so I wanted to say a very big thank you to all of you who have watched, commented, subscribed, anything this year. I really do appreciate the support. It's been a crazy year with a lot of things going on, and I've had some ups and downs on my channel. There have been a few periods where I haven't been posting, but I'm so thankful to those of you who have stuck around. I really do appreciate it. So I hope you guys had an amazing 2017. Hopefully it will be an even better 2018, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.